looks good.
We're ready to do our lobsters now.
Okay.
But first we need the secret ingredient.
I know what that secret ingredient is.
Old Bay.
And that's for seafood, poultry, salads, meats.
Absolutely.
What's
it's
the recipe
wonderful.
on that?
Well, we're just going to put a couple of 2 or 3 tablespoons in here.
Into that water.
All right, now, after the Old Bay, we take our lobsters and we're going to boil them humanely.
Goodness.
That's right, 4 lobsters.
How do you boil them humanely?
Well, I'll tell you, Foster. Our water now is about room temperature.
Okay.
We're going to drop our lobsters in, and then we bring it up to boil. And the lobsters don't feel a thing.
They don't feel a thing.
They don't feel a thing.
You're telling me that those lobsters right now...
Those lobsters are going to be happier than clams.
And that's because you started the water. The water was still a little bit cold.
Yes.
So they basically just go to sleep.
Exactly. The lobsters go to sleep, they don't scream.
None of that hollering and screaming.
No, sir.
That's going to be wonderful.
And they love the Old Bay seasoning.
The Old Bay seasoning is the key. All right, let's get going on those top sirloins. I don't know whether they're feeling any pain or not, but they sure look tasty. That Old Bay seasoning on Outdoor Cooking World. Hey, take a look at those.
Oh, those look
That is
delicious.
some wonderful top sirloin, isn't it?
Yeah.
I've marinated those with the Outdoor Cooking World secret recipe.
Uh-huh.
I'm not going to give that up to everybody. Let me tell you one thing. They're going to be mighty good. Let's slap one of these guys on. Barbie looks like Barbie's ready.
She looks ready.
Oh, yeah. Hey, George, I'm going to have to get a little help from you with this one. I got your pair of tongs here. We got to lay these guys in here.
Alrighty.
And get them going on.
You know it.
We've got 13 top sirloin steaks. They're sliced about about an inch thick. They will probably take about 6 minutes on each side, not your usual 7 minutes. Because they're a little bit thinner. We can actually put some up here on the top rack. They're going to cook just about the same as the ones on the bottom, because Barbie is baking and she's good and she's hot.
Oh, it looks good, Foster.
That's all there is to it. That is the turf. We got the surf going on.
We got the surf going on.
Hey, George, that smells pretty good, doesn't it?
It sure does.
We better turn these guys over.
All right.
Take a look at them. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They're ready to go. Each of these guys on the other side. Now, I think we better leave Barbie open just to get those coals back up.
Okay.
I say about 6.5 minutes on the other side. How are those lobsters doing?
Well, we got about 10 more minutes on them anyway.
10 more minutes on the lobster. What's the total time on the lobster?
Approximately 20 minutes, Foster.
20 minutes on the lobsters? And that's because you started in with the cooler water.
That's right, but it's humane.
Hey, George, you better take those guys off.
Oh, yeah.
They look like they're done.
They sure do.
They're pretty firm in the middle.
Yeah.
Help me out here.
I will.
And we shall lay these down.
They
13
look good.
Wonderful top sirloin steaks.
Oh, yeah.
This is the turf.
To my surf.
Why don't you grab one of those lobsters off of there?
Oh, I think I can do that. All right, Foster.
Oh, my goodness.
These bad boys are done.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. And that is the surf.
Yes, sir.
Hey, look who's here.
Awesome, what's going on?
Well, we've been cooking up some surf and turf here on Outdoor Cooking World.
Smells great.
You want to try a piece of this top sirloin?
Yeah, I would.
All right, let me cut that up for you.
Thanks, man.
Try this and tell me what you think.
Good.
That's good?
That's good.
That's not just, that's good. It's, that's good.
good.
On Outdoor Cooking World. We'll see you next time. See you outdoors.